Corvus Robotics has introduced Corvus One for cold chain, an autonomous aerial inventory system designed to operate in freezer environments as low as minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit. The system, built on the company's existing Corvus One platform, brings continuous, fully autonomous drone operations to one of the most hostile industrial conditions, cold storage. Operating autonomous aerial systems continuously in freezer environments is an engineering challenge most robotics platforms were never designed to handle, said Jackie Wu, Chief Executive Officer at Corvus Robotics. Corvus One for cold chain required re architecting thermal management, sensing, flight stability, and onboard perception so the system could maintain autonomy and accuracy despite frost, glare, airflow, and extreme temperature swings. Designed for sub-zero drone autonomy, Corvus One for cold chain combines industrial-grade barcode scanners with adaptive focus and exposure controls, ensuring reliable label capture despite frost or glare. Its flight control algorithms stabilize the drone against strong airflow from freezer blowers and door openings, enabling safe operation alongside normal warehouse activity. Operating continuously without Wi Fi, localization markers, or special lighting, the drone uses Corvus Robotics' infrastructure free navigation and automated health monitoring. Under the company's robots as a service model, Corvus One for cold chain autonomously manages battery rotations and system diagnostics to maintain uptime with minimal human intervention, improving efficiency and worker safety. A leading national grocer, Kroger, has already deployed Corvus One for cold chain in live freezer operations. The system performs high frequency cycle counts, maintaining accurate, real time inventory visibility while reducing the need for workers to enter sub zero storage areas. This approach not only improves safety, but also cuts labor costs and minimizes inventory write offs. By enabling automated, high frequency inventory audits, Corvus One for cold chain addresses persistent challenges in frozen logistics, tight FIFO requirements, expanding SKU counts, and safety constraints, while demonstrating how drones are advancing automation in cold chain environments.